Hello guys, it's me, WinToken 3605. Alright, let's get to it then. Number one, these guys are, these guys are fire and lava resistance. And look at them, they're so adorable! They're so adorable! And I'm just gonna keep on looking at them. Yes. Number two, they are so these sleepy TNT grinders are so sleepy that they don't have any use. All they do is sleep. They don't get up. They don't wake up when you punch them. And they can fight in lava, but I feel like, I think there's not. Oh yeah, the lava is pushing them, which is preventing them from fighting. And the competitive TNT grinder, which is the TNT grinder that has three TNT blocks on its head, is not fighting because it's too weak. I'll show proof that's the competitive one. See, look. Alright. Let it rip. Let it rip. Yep. The angry one is fighting. The angry one is gonna fight. Oh, that's gotta hurt. I'm just going to go on mute.